super motivated right now. So I'm studying, of course. We know we're in the age of the computers, and you can study a lot at home. And I just took the quiz of this particular module, and I got 100%. So I don't know how many of you all have ever wanted to learn something or to attempt learning something, may be intimidated or be intimidated by your ability to focus. Quite often, we can take that paralyze all that thought and be paralyzed and not even attempt, and then wind up being distracted, with YouTube videos or other kinds of vices. So I really want to encourage folks to find a system. So today I have like a timer set up where I take breaks in between. So this is one of my breaks. I have my tea and make sure that I got up very early. So I've noticed I'm an early morning person. So I'd rather be doing exercises, but this is also when my mind is more focused and can get the most in, and where I don't wait till the end of the day and then the study doesn't happen. And I do have one to show here. So so I can get this out of the way, and that the success breeds success is really, really motivating. So I'm prioritizing the thing that I might avoid the most. So if you'd like to, if you're interested in joining in on a mastermind in pursuit of Black excellence, but also just excellence across the board, because I am not opposed to sharing excellence, especially when it comes to cultural exchange. So let me know. I'm so motivated. This is great. So I got my timer, I got my tea. The house is smelling good. Everything is clean and organized. So all of those things do motivate me to feel very, very relaxed, already eliminated the system or whatever. So after a short break, I'm going right back to studying, and now I'm more excited. Oh, and I've got all of my colorful pencils and to study, and I'm feeling really good about taking my time to learn, right? Because I feel like I'm really retaining the information when I take the time. So I'm staying with the process. Update you soon. Create a great day.